everyone. Today we are going to study conversion of binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary number system. First of all, we'll see binary to hexadecimal number system. Okay. So first we'll see what steps we need to do for conversion of binary to hexadecimal number system. Okay, so first of all what we will do, will from LSB will make the binary bits into the group of 4. Okay, from LSB will make the binary bit in the group of 4. What we had done in binary to octal number system, we had make the group of 3, and for binary to hexadecimal we are going to make a group of 4. And the second step we need to do is we need to convert each group into hexadecimal number. Convert each group in hexadecimal . Okay, so we'll try to understand this with an example, and we'll take a binary number and try to convert it into hexadecimal number system. Okay, so let us try. So your example is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is the binary number we have, and we are going to convert this number into hexadecimal number system. So what we'll do, we'll make a group of 4 from LSB. So this is the first group, this is the second group, this is the third group, and in the fourth group we have only 3 numbers. So we'll add 0 in front of this. So the number becomes 0 1 0 1, then 1 0 1 1, then 1 0 1 0, and finally 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the first step we had done. From LSB we had made a group of 4. Now we'll try to convert this number into hexadecimal number. So let us see, this is 1 2 to the power 0 into 1 plus 2 to the power 1 into 0, 2 to the power 2 into 1. So this is 4 plus 1 5. Okay, then this will be 1 plus 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, and 11 means B. Okay, we know that from 0 to 9 digits are there, and 10 is A and 11 is B. Okay, then again here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 0, and then 2 to the power 3 means 8, 8 plus 2 10, and 10 means A. Okay, then finally 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2 to the power 2 means 2, 2 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 2 sorry, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, then 2 to the power 3 is 8, and for every point, this is 1, this is 2, 2 to the power 1, and this is 2 to the power 2 is 4, and this is 2 to the power 3 is 8. So when we'll sum it, this will be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15, and this is nothing but 15 can be written as F. Okay, so the number becomes, this will be 5BAF in hexadecimal number system, or you can write this H as simply 5BAF base 16. Okay, you can write it like this. We'll see one more example with decimal point. Okay. So one more example. This is 1110.0011. So in this example, we can observe we have 4 bits in integer part and 4 bits after the point. So we can simply convert this number. For this group, we can have 2, 4, 8, 13. Okay, sorry, 2, 4, this is 8, 4, 2, means 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, and 14 is E. And this group, this is 1 and this is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this can be written as E.3. This is in hexadecimal system. Okay, now we'll see the conversion of hexadecimal number into the binary number system. Okay, so let us see. Hexadecimal to now we'll see the steps required to convert the hexadecimal number into the binary number. Okay. So the first step is we need to convert each digit into 4-bit binary number. Each digit into 4-bit binary number. Okay, the first thing we need to do, just recall, in octal to binary number system, we had to convert each digit into 3-bit binary number. But in case of hexadecimal to binary, we are converting each digit into 4-bit number. Second point, B, combine the 4-bit by removing the space to get the resultant binary number. Or we can say combine all the bits. So let us study this with an example. Okay. So we have an example, suppose say F A B 2. So this number is in hexadecimal number system and we are going to convert it into binary number system. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll convert this. We'll write each digit over here. F, A, B and 2. Now we know F. What is F? F is 15. And how we can write 15? 1, 1, 1. Just recall one more time. This is 2 to the power 0 means 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2. 2 to the power 2 means 4. 2 to the power 3 means 8. And sum of all is 15. And 15 is represented by F. Now we have A. And what is A? A is 10. So we can write this 10 as 1, 0, 1, 0. Say 2 to the power 0 is 1 into 0 is 0. 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 3. So this is 8, 8 plus 2. Okay. Now come for B. So B will be 11. So it will be simply 1, 0, 1, 1. And here 2 is what? 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So what we had done? We had simply converted each digit into 4-bit binary number and then we are going to combine all those bits. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is the equivalent binary number to the hexadecimal number FAB2. Okay, so in this way we can convert this hexadecimal number into the binary number. So with this I conclude and will continue with the other part of conversion. Thank you. Thank you so much.